Century 21 Olympian agents are experienced to get you the best price available. Call 832-553-8300 to start now. Small gated community of 39 units, conveniently located minutes from the Galleria and all that it offers. Ground floor, end unit tastefully updated, includes washer-dryer hookup. All utilities included in maintenance fee, even your air conditioner. 2-car assigned carport, west gated access. Great for investment or those seeking a nice quiet community with first floor living. Zone to Briargrove Elementary.